Hey guys, welcome to another project. This is a slightly brand new project. We are with
Engineer Dave Kariuki from Catris Precast Construction Limited.
And I'm Nick Muema from Propertynoma. As you already know, this is an upcoming project, so we are going to be a bit technical. We are going to talk about the details of construction up to this point, and also I'll come back for a part 2 when the structure is done. So Engineer Dave,
Yes.
Welcome back to the channel.
Thank you.
The last time people saw you, we were at Ngong.
Yes.
Is that project still ongoing?
Yeah, it's ongoing. Actually, we are more on curing at Unit 3.
Yes.
Yeah, so that we already did the slabbings. So we are about to start the first floors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For that project, because a lot of you are asking, I'll go back for a part 2 when the structure is done. So for now, let's focus on this. Kindly tell us, Engineer Dave, where we are.
We are in a place called Mitaboni, just from Kanguto Road past Komarok, Machakos County.
Yes.
Yes.
And how long have you been on site?
2 weeks, and today we are starting our third week. Yeah.
Okay. So in those 2 weeks,
Yes,
you've already done the foundation, the walling, and as I can see, you're setting up the beams.
exactly.
Okay.
Yes.
What kind of house is this?
So this is a 4-bedroom mansionette with a music room. So maybe some others will call it 5-bedroom, but it's a 4-bedroom mansionette.
Yeah.
All in suit.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
The client is passionate about music?
Yeah, very.
All right.
Yeah.
So,
that's why he has a music room.
Yeah.
Just like a studio. Yeah.
Also, you will do things like acoustic paneling, all those things?
Yeah. When it comes to first floor.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right. Now, in the 3 weeks that you were here, how long did you spend for the foundation and for the walling, if you can break it down?
If I break it down, foundation, we spent exactly 10 days. Now from the excavation until doing the foundation slab, it was 10 days. Then I did the wallings for 4 days, the wallings.
Yeah.
And we did the formwork for columns 2 days, and we did the concreting. And today we are in the last 2 days we started the beam. We started the beam formwork. As you can see, the fundis are busy doing the formwork for the beam to prepare for the casting.
Yeah.
And or rather first steel. So there we have the steels for beam.
Yeah.
For the beam, it's 200 by 400. Mm-hmm. Then we go to casting. After casting, we do, of course, the beam and block technology for the slab, and that's the T-beam and block for the slabbing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, we're going to start systematically from the foundation to the walling.
Yes.
Then we'll talk about the T-beams later on.
Yes.
Now, for the foundation, what kind of soil do you find here in Mitaboni?
Mitaboni is black cotton soil. You can see it's black cotton, a very dangerous soil. So we had to do, we call it hole excavation until we get to the stable soil. That's the bedrock. After we get to the stable soils, where we set up our strip footing and we start our foundation.
Yeah.
Yes.
Did you face any challenge when setting up the foundation?
The place is a bit rocky, and so there was a lot of boulders, but that's not a challenge. And of course, we are used to these kind of soils. We remember in Katani, it was the same.
Yeah.
So it's not something that is new to us, and we know how to tackle it.
Okay.
Yeah.
How many courses did you set up for the foundation? How high is it?
The foundation, we did exactly 1.5 meters. That's around 6 courses.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
6 courses.
Yes.
And how high is it from the ground?
From the ground, it is 2 courses.
2 courses.
2 courses to ground, the ground level, 2 courses above.
So that's enough to mitigate against any flooding.
Yes, and it's very, if you compare the ground level on that side and you compare it with the floor of the house, you'll realize that the house is well raised.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because looking around, this place is rather flat.
Yes.
It's like a plane.
It's like a plane, and you can say it floods, maybe.
Yeah. So it's important to raise it to those 2 courses.
Yes.
All right.
2 or 3, it's fine.
Yeah. Now, moving on to the walling, you've used precast panel because I know Catris is all about precast.
Yes.
How many panels did you use for the ground floor, and what is the height?
For the ground floor, we used exactly 125 panels, and the height is 3 meters.
Yeah.
So the height is 3 meters, and then we have our beam that's 400 depth. So we'll probably have a headroom of about 3.2, 3.1 meters.
Wow.
It's a high.
It's a very high ceiling
Yes,
for the
yes,
for
yes.
the client.
Yes, yes.
It's something that they wanted.
Yes, actually, we were to do the 2.7,
Yeah.
but because of the career of the client is a musician, he said he wants high roofs because of the thing that will maybe install at the ceilings for music and everything. So we changed to 3 meters. Yes.
Fantastic. How long did you take to do the walling, to set up now the panels?
Set up the panels, we took around 3 days. Yeah, and of course the nitty-gritties that we are finishing it now. Yeah, that doesn't lack. It takes exactly 3 days to answer your question.
Okay. Where did you source the panels from?
Take my panels from Kingdom Precast Panels. Where else?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's always Kingdom.
Yes.
They are the best. They do a good job.
Okay.
Yeah.
How many lorries did you need to transport the panels from Ruaka to here now?
Two lorries.
Two
Two lorries. Yeah, I used exactly 2 trips and they came once.
Yeah.
They didn't disappoint me in loading, and from I placed an order today and tomorrow it was ready because they have ready-made products that are waiting for clients. So clients can go there as soon as possible and they'll get their products that are ready. Mostly the common heights of 2.7 and 3 meters.
We have the formwork.
Yes.
For the beams.
Yes.
You've said you're going to use beam and block technology.
Yes, sir.
Specifically T-beams?
Yeah, T-beams and block.
Yeah.
We are here to save time.
Yes.
Yes.
So was that your main reason of using T-beams? Time saving?
Yeah, T-beam saves a lot of time because when you use T-beams, there is no giving curing for the slab and props. So it saves you a lot of time, and also it saves on cost because there are no support props that you put below. For example, when we do the beam, already the fabrication for the windows and doors on the ground floor can continue.
Sure.
And then we place the slab. So any work that entails to be done in the ground floor can continue.
Yeah.
And it's not affected by the first floor slab.
Yeah.
Yes.
You can give us a brief tour you can show us the spaces.
Yes.
But I think we'll do a more detailed tour when the structure is.
When we finish the shell.
Yeah, when you finish the shell.
No problem.
Yeah.
So in here we have the entrance porch.
Okay.
So this is the entry, the entrance porch.
Yes.
Yeah. Then we have our main door here. That's a double door, 1.2. But this building is fully green. That's why you see we have large windows.
Yes.
We are trying to maximize on lighting. Yeah.
Because this is an enormous window.
Yes.
It almost occupies the entire wall.
Exactly. So during the day, you will find that the house is the light is very accessible during the day. So there is no darkness. And during the night, because it's using solar, it will be okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, because it looks kind of remote. So using solar is a great idea for him.
And this kind of project, like a client wants to you hide from town. Yeah, you're just in your own world.
Yes.
There. Yeah. Away from city stuffs.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. This is also a big entrance porch. I'm sure you'll be able to set up like maybe outside chairs, things like that.
Yes.
Because it's spacious, it's big.
Yeah, when you check on the renders, we have a good finish here.
Yeah.
That you'll appreciate the space when you get the finishing that will set it here.
Okay.
Yeah, you'll see on the 3D renders.
All right.
Yes. So in here we have, of course, the lounge. We have another window there for lighting.
Yes.
Then going this side, we have the dining and the kitchen.
Yeah.
It's work ongoing, of course. We have the dining and the kitchen and the rear porch on the far end.
Yeah.
So this is the dining. Then this is the kitchen. Then we have the pantry. Then we have the rear porch.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So I think the other spaces we can showcase later on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because I know people want to see the living space and the kitchen and the dining.
Yes. So on the other side, we have the cloakroom, the laundry area, and the 2 bedrooms that are en suite.
Okay.
On the ground floor.
And then upstairs we have 2 bedrooms
and a music room. Yes, sir.
All right.
Yeah. And then our pitched roof. We're not doing a flat roof.
All right.
We're doing a pitched roof.
Now talking about the roofing.
Yes.
Even though we haven't reached that stage, you're using the pitched roof.
Yes.
Is it mabati or stone coated roofing tiles?
We are using versatile mabati. Yes. That's the kind of room the client chose.
Yes.
And that's what we're using.
Okay. I think more details about that on the structure video.
Yeah, on the start when you finish the shell, right?
Yeah, when you finish the shell.
Yes, yes.
When it comes to the columns,
Yes.
with precast panels, some clients dislike the exposed notch. So how do you mitigate against that? How do you ensure that you have a neat finish or a flush wall with precast panels?
That comes when you're doing the formwork. If you see how you're doing the beam,
Yeah.
when we're doing the formwork, 100 millimeter of the panel goes inside the formwork. Now, when you're doing the casting for the column, already the concrete itself attached itself to the panel. So when you remove your formwork, it appears like it's one thing, monolithic.
Oh.
Yeah.
And it also binds the panel together.
It binds the panels together. It increases also the joinery at the joints of the panel.
Okay.
Yeah, because concrete of the compressive strength on it, because columns are more on compression.
Yeah.
So like when that force of concrete come in, it also increases the connection of the panels.
Yes.
Yes.
So guys, we'll be back to tour this Mitaboni house in part 2 when the shell is done. That is the ground floor, the first floor, the slab, and the roof. So how long is that going to be?
For the shell to be done?
Yes.
The next month and a half.
Okay.
Yes.
So around November,
Yeah.
we'll be back to showcase part
Or
2.
earlier.
Or earlier, yes.
Yes.
We'll be back to showcase this house, the entire shell, and hopefully when the house is fully done with the finishes, I think that will come next year.
No, this year.
This year?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Actually, the client said on December he wants to be.
Oh, you want to celebrate here?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Before Christmas, hopefully we'll be able to show this house together with the finishes.
Yes.
If this kind of content is for you, you are looking for construction information, you are looking to build your house, you can subscribe, you can share this video with other fellow like-minded people.
And they also follow Catris Precast Construction on Facebook.
I'll leave a link to his Facebook page as
Thank
well.
you. Thank you.
So thanks for watching up to this point, and we shall see you in the next project.
Kwaheri, and thank you very much.
Yes.
Thank you, Nick.
So.